Hello and welcome back to On the Workbench. Today we're taking a look at the Capri aluminum adjustable air blow gun, part number 21089. This is good for up to 150 psi and was purchased recently to replace my more standard traditional blow gun for being able to clean up projects and clean away debris. And so one of the things I liked about this was the pistol grip style as opposed to this, I guess you call it a thumb grip style. And so if we open the box, we get the gun, and we get one nozzle, and this actually already comes with an air fitting on it. This has a plastic handle here. What I would have much preferred to be able to find, and if someone knows where this is, please put this in the comments below, is I'd much prefer to find an air blow gun that actually has a grip that is much more akin to like a DeWalt drill grip, or something more along those lines. It's a little bigger and beefier. And this is as close as I could get to finding that. So it's kind of like a garden hose nozzle. You squeeze it and it comes out. And so you got the air comes at the bottom. Alternatively, theoretically, you can remove the screw and put the air intake there, then cap this back up here. And then on the back here, we have a flow control, up and down. And then the nozzle that comes with it just screws right in the front, just like that. Now the nozzle, the fitting that comes with it, if you compare that to a high flow fitting, it's just a standard industrial fitting. It's nice that it comes with it. I also purchased, to go with this, there's an accessory kit of a 5-piece nozzle set that has 5 additional nozzles. So as we open this up, we've got a long plastic nozzle here. Then we have this turbo nozzle that uses a Venturi effect along the side to be able to increase the flow on the output there. We've got a fan. We've got the safety tip one, the soft tip. It's got a pliable rubber there on the end. And then this is the one that I'm actually most intrigued with. This is advertised as a dust shield, so it puts out tiny bits amounts of air around the outside to help prevent blowback of debris back into your face. And so this is actually the nozzle that is the reason why I purchased this. Is I really wanted this nozzle so that when blowing fine debris out, it doesn't come right back at me. However, what this kit does not include would be an extension to go with this, because I'd much prefer to have that on maybe a 2 to 3 inch extension. And so this goes into the blowgun like this. There's a nice O-ring there, so it should be able to be in fine hand tight. And then that should prevent blowback of debris back at me. But again, I'd like to have a nice little extension. You can buy some other extensions out there, and I'm probably going to do that in a separate purchase. One detail to point out about this gun is if you take the nozzle off and you want to swap, instead of the ends, if you want to pull out an inflation needle like you might use for a basketball or a football, and you use a standard size needle, it does not actually securely fit in here. You have to be able to use an adapter. My thumb-activated blowgun actually has an adapter that I can screw this in and then screw that into this Capri gun. However, this Capri gun does not actually provide an inflation needle. So if you need to do sports balls or anything else like that, you need to find an extra adapter like what I'm showing here to be able to make that work. I'll put a link to all this stuff here below. And so the first project here I'm going to use this on is I got some debris. I was sanding off a door I've been painting, and I need to get the debris off that before I move on to the next stage of painting. And so let me show you this in action while doing that. When using a blowgun, obviously make sure you're wearing safety glasses to protect any blowback into your eyes. You also may want to use some form of breathing protection to protect your nose so you don't accidentally inhale the debris that you're blowing away. And so for the cost, this is actually pretty good. There's actually a very similar, almost identical version of this that is marketed by Capri Tools. I'm not sure exactly what the difference is. This does have Capri on the back side here. And this actually has the reinforcement here. I can obviously see this is going to be the weak point in the whole apparatus. I like the overmold grip. It actually feels pretty nice in the hand. It's not bad, but again, I'd rather have it be a little more beefier, like a drill. Would make me happier. You can hang it up here, obviously, put a clip there to hang it overhead. And so now, let's take a look at this in use. And so after you can see in the use there, I think it works like the way you'd expect an air gun to be used. And it just provides a different gripping option than your standard thumb blown one, or thumb activated one. So I hope you found this video useful and interesting. And if you're interested in this product, I'll put a link to it below from my Amazon store to help support this channel. If you click that link, you don't have to buy anything, but it just helps support this channel if you do buy something else on Amazon. And have a great day. Bye.